Hey, what's going on? Welcome into forthelow.net. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Funai VCR to show you. The model number of it is F1810P. But before we get into it, quick fun fact. Did you know that there's actually a holiday for VCRs, and it is on June 7th? So if you didn't know that, now you do, and you can go ahead and celebrate this year. But let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel of it, you have your tuner input and output right there. And then your audio and video output. And then it's also got a DC jack for using it with a car source instead, but it doesn't include that power cord. That'll have to be gotten separately. To connect it, all you have to do is plug in the yellow and white cable to the rear panel and then plug in your power cord. And then once you have it all set up, you can go ahead and power it on and put a VHS in. And this is the remote for it. It's very basic. It's only got a few buttons on it. And if you hit stop and then fast forward, it'll do a fast forward. And then it does the same thing with the rewind. It's got a pause button if you want to pause it. And then it's even got the eject button. And on the front panel of it, you have your play button, rewind, stop, fast forward, repeat play, rental selector, and power. That's pretty much all there is for this Funai VCR. It's very basic, probably the most basic VCR you can get. But if you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.